Infinity TikTok tutorial in Filmora. How to edit Infinity song transition video. Infinity TikTok challenge has been quite popular recently. Infinity transition is a new type of transition video that is trending. It's created by making a sequence of videos and creating a seamless transition between them. You may have seen many Infinity song transition videos. They are extremely popular on YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms. So in this Infinity TikTok edit tutorial, we walk you through how to create an Infinity transition video in just a few simple steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to Filmora MVP YouTube channel. Here, we teach you the latest editing tips, camera tricks, and filmmaking techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the latest version of Filmora 10 video editor. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find a download link in the description of this video. There are two parts of this video, so you will need to record two clips for the first and the second part of the Infinity Challenge. First, you need to record a video of yourself performing a certain action to match your later part, such as putting the object behind your back. I recommend you use something usual, such as a spoon, to make that big contrast with the latter part. For the second part, you will need a laser. The shape of laser should be according to the object you used in the first part. If you used a long object, you will need light sword, and if you use a circular object, you will need a light ring. Now import both clips to Filmora library. First, you need to drag and drop the first part video into the timeline. After you have dropped the first part video on the track, drop the second part video right after it in the same track. Now match the ending frame on the first clip with the starting frame of second clip, split, and remove the unnecessary parts. Now, click on the transitions from the above menu and type Dissolve in the search bar. Drag the dissolve effect onto the track where the first part ends and the second part begins. Make adjustments in the transition until the flow of the video is perfect and it looks smooth. To make your video more appealing for the viewers, you can use different effects from Filmora library and apply them to your videos like smoke effects, light leaks, and lens flare, etc. Just use your creativity here and try out different effects. You can also use film stock packs of Filmora like Light Leaks Transition Pack or Neon Light Pack to add more appeal. Add the music in the background and make sure the beats match the video perfectly. Beat matching is a time-consuming process, but in Filmora, you can place your playhead on the beat and press the hotkey M on your keyboard to create a marker so that you don't have to go back and listen again and again. Once you're done with all the adjustments, you're good to go. Now play the video and you will see that the transition has been created successfully. The second method that we will use in this Infinity TikTok edit tutorial is the keyframing option of Filmora 10. For this method, first you need to drag the first part video to the Filmora timeline. Then, you need to drag and drop the second part video in a new track above the first part video. Adjust both videos in a way that the second part video slightly overlaps the first part at the ending point. Now we have to apply the keyframing and determine the keyframe starting point and ending point. Right-click on the second track and select Add Animation option. Move the cursor a little forward and click on the Add button to add an empty keyframe. Place the playhead at the starting frame and then again, click on the Add Keyframe option. But this time, you need to reduce the opacity to 0. Now play the video and you will see a very smooth transition between both videos. Add the music in the background and follow the same step mentioned in the first method. It's all about your creativity. Try out different objects of different shapes and you will surely enjoy making these videos. So now you have learned how to edit Infinity song transition video using Filmora 10. Try it yourself and let us know about the outcomes in the comment section below. We would love to